Maldives 5-day itinerary. Where budget meets luxury. Highlights: snorkeling, scuba diving, island hopping, underwater dining, water villa stay. Day 1 arrival and check-in at the private beach resort. You'll land at Balena International Airport. Take a scenic speedboat to Maafushi Island. Check into your beachfront resort. Recommended: Connie Grand Seaview, Arena Beach Hotel. Explore the island and enjoy your first sunset in paradise. On day 2, start with snorkeling. Swim alongside turtles, rays, and colorful reef fish. In the evening, experience a once-in-a-lifetime dinner at an underwater restaurant beneath the Indian Ocean. Pre-book your dinner 1 to 2 weeks in advance. Arrange a day trip transfer if not staying at the resort. Day 3 takes you island hopping to charming local islands and hidden sandbanks. Take Instagram-worthy shots from the day. End the day with a relaxing spa session. And dinner with your feet in the sand. Start day 4 with an adventurous scuba dive early morning. In the afternoon, leave Maafushi by waterboat ride. Head to your dream stay, a private overwater villa surrounded by turquoise waters. Morning. Floating breakfast in your villa pool, if available. Sunset views, direct lagoon access, peaceful privacy. Swim, relax, sunbathe on your private deck. Check out and transfer to Balena Airport. Or extend your stay by 1 more day, you won't regret it. Reef-safe sunscreen, waterproof phone pouch, snorkel gear, optional, light, breathable clothing, GoPro or underwater camera, travel adapter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel itineraries and smart luxury guides.